Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain step by step how to upload and verify your Housejob Experience Certificate on Epic for IMC registration. Please keep in mind this is third step in Epic verification process after creating Epic account and notarizing your Epic identification form with NotaryCam. If you don't have an Epic account, watch my first two videos on Epic verification series. Anyway, once your Epic account is created, you will log into your Epic account. And after making sure that your Epic identification form has been accepted, you will go to My Credentials. Here you will click on Upload Credentials. Here you will select Postgraduate Medical Education Credential. Then there are some instructions given regarding your postgraduate medical education credential which you can read. Please keep in mind here you will upload Housejob Experience Certificate issued by PMDC. You cannot upload Housejob Experience Certificate issued by your hospital because Medical Council of Ireland does not accept that. Also note, acceptable file formats are TIFF, JPG or PDF and file size should not be more than 10 MB. Then you will select if this document is in English or not. If your document is not in English, you will check no and then you will be taken to the screen where you can upload the translation. Next, you will add institution. You will click on Add institution that issued this credential. Then you will search and add Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. And after that you will fill certain details. In program name, you will write Housejob Experience Certificate. Then you will enter your Housejob start date and end date. And then you will write your name as it appears on your Housejob certificate. Next, you will have to select mailing option. Here you can choose regular mail. If you want to choose courier service, you will have to pay additional fee which is $30. One benefit of courier service is that you can track your credential. Anyway, I used regular mail option and that worked for me. Then you will select the entity to which you want to send Epic report. In country, you will select Ireland and in name of entity, you will enter Medical Council of Ireland. After adding entity, you will click on Next. Before moving forward, if you think this video is helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. In the next step, you will enter card details and pay fee which is $100. In next step, you will log into your PMDC online account. Here, you will click on Verification of Practical Experience or License ECFMG Epic. Please note, after online submission of ECFMG Epic form fee on portal, you will attach payment receipt with application and email on given email address. So here you will click on Continue. Next, you will fill these details. Let's go through these carefully. Here, you will enter your PMDC registration number, Epic ID, your name and your father name. Then, you will enter your mailing address. After that, you will enter your mobile number and email. Then, you will upload your passport size picture with blue or white background. Also note, file should be in JPEG or PNG format and should not be more than 5 MB. After that, you will pay fee which is 5,000 rupees. After fee submission, you will attach payment receipt with application and email on credentialing@pmdc.pk. Let me show you guys what I sent to this email address. I made a PDF of 3 screenshots which I will show you in a minute and send it to the given email address. First this one, second screenshot of summary of my application, and third screenshot of status of Epic application. Please keep in mind, time duration for Housejob certificate verification on Epic can vary between 2 weeks to sometimes even more than a month. My Housejob certificate got verified in around 15 days. So this is all about Housejob certificate verification on Epic. For degree verification on Epic, watch my video on how to upload and verify medical degree on Epic.